Okay, so I'm going to squeeze a little bit of icing in here just so I can lift some of these flowers up. So I'm going to start with the one up here. I'm going to squeeze this way. This is the 352 tip, which, let me just clean this off. Looks like a bird beak. Okay, you want to squeeze. The part that you want touching is, let me see if I can do it this way so you can see. One of the points lightly touching, squeeze until it attaches, and you can kind of wiggle it a little bit and then pull it away. Okay, so squeeze, kind of pull it away. All right, so then I can put one of my little flowers here, and I'll put the bigger ones on first. Let me do a leaf coming out here. And then put this other one maybe back here somewhere. Okay, and then we'll fill in with some other leaves in here. You want the leaves to go in all different directions too, not all the same way. So here I can actually squeeze and kind of pull down. Okay, and then we'll go ahead and add some of these cute little white ones. It's okay if you cover up the leaves, we can always add a few more back in there. One way over there, probably one more over in that cluster over there. Okay, then we'll just extend these leaves out. The first set of leaves basically to kind of lift up some of the flowers. Okay, so you got your cute little bouquet back there. And then what you could do, I mean, you could, if you wanted to put some scenery or something around the cake, I mean, it could be like there's little tufts of grass, like the hat was in little tufts of grass. Maybe put some other little flowers around. You could either write, do a little plaque or something on the cake that says Mom. Maybe we'll put some of the little yellow flowers. You could put little polka dots on the hat if you wanted to. And there's just so much you can do, but it's fast. You know, so if you're going, oh my gosh, I've got to do something for Mom, but don't have a lot of time. She'll think you spent a lot of time on it. And I won't tell.